My dad did this. When it's time for you to learn how to drive, your parents will tell you stories about driving to help you become a safe driver. And if you listen to your mom and dad and they explain it clearly enough and give you examples, you're going to be a good driver. Students learn how to drive from their parents. For example, if your mom and dad are distracted, eating on the phone, blowing through lights, you'll probably learn the same thing. You'll think it's okay. If your parents are always stopping at every stop sign, using their blinker, merging out nicely, let the little old lady pull out, you'll be perhaps courteous the same way. So I'm trying to tell you that your parents model the behavior. I am a person that comes in between your parent and you. I'm a parent too, but I'm your driving instructor. I don't judge you if you didn't do your homework, Aiden. I don't judge you, Evan, if you wore the wrong hat today and your socks didn't match. I simply want to teach you how to drive. And good instructors are patient. I'm patient with all of you. I always try to tell you how to get better. Some of you listen to my advice, some of you don't.